Hello, and welcome guys. Today I am here with the video, how to write proposal perfectly to win a job. Keep in mind, the most important fact behind winning a job is proposal, so let's start without any further delay. So, in this tutorial, we gonna share 6 important steps that will make your proposals buyer-friendly. Step 1 is to start by greeting word and buyer name. For writing a proposal, the first step is to start the proposal by greeting word with his name like "Hello Albert," "Hi Gilbert." If buyer's name is not mentioned, just say "Hello, hi." Step 2 is to address the buyer's needs. Read what he has asked for in his request, and then come up with ideas of how you can help him with his project. Share a brief description of how you're planning to complete his project, and what values you can add in. But remember, just keep it short and straightforward. Let's see an example. In step 3, show your expertise. In next sentence, tell your client about your experience, what you had achieved in past. In step 4, offer price. And at the bottom of your proposal, you should specify your price and the time you would take to complete his projects. Though there are separate fields to provide this information, mentioning them in your proposal will make it easier for your buyer to be sure of your price. In step 5, end up with conclusion. After all, end your proposal with thanks or any other word or phrase like, "Looking forward to hearing from you." This will be the best end. In step 6, add portfolio. At the end, you must add portfolio files. If you have done relevant work, must include that in portfolio for the best impression. The whole proposal will look alike. After writing a perfect proposal, here are some tips to win a job by proposal. Bid on the jobs which have less than 10 bids already done. Bid on projects having greater than 10 proposal already sent. Tip number 2. The most important thing to keep in mind, always send custom proposal. Check the requirements of buyer, and according to requirements, write proposal. Tip number 3. If you are a beginner, then always bid low, don't go for big. To stand out from other proposals, try to offer low price. Every day tons of new buyer requests come on Fiverr, and if you can make the best use of them, you can easily kickstart your Fiverr business. So these are the 6 simple steps and some important tips you should consider when writing a buyer request. Remember, thanks for watching. Like the video and comment if you have any queries.